Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Mobile Mayor urges swift removal of election paraphernalia. With the February 26 local government election slowly becoming a distant memory, the Mayor of Montego Bay, Councillor Richard Vernon, is urging that his colleague councillors and caretakers remove election paraphernalia from the parish streets. The campaign material, which can be seen across the parish, is usually paired with orange and green flags to represent the two main political parties. Seriously now? Seriously now, Richard Vernon? You're gone in there. You are mayor now. And that you see? You know, say, stoplight they want to fix. Let me ask you a question. You know, say the stoplight they want to fix. You know, say the road they need stoplight too. You know, say more one inside need for the road. You know, see that? You know, say the road they want to fix. So out of everything that you come up with, you is a mayor, yeah? And that you come up with. You know, sister, the road want more street lights. And that me want to ask you. You understand? Because me not understand you. Me not understand it. So that is the first thing you see. That is the first thing you see. Oh, sir, my viewers and subscribers, me have to say, This is a man you swear in as mayor. And the first thing you see, have to remove campaign material. You know, sister, the bloody light them want fix, the street light them. You know, sister, the stop light them want fix, and the road they need more signs. Don't you see that? Hello? That Lord, may I tell you some, and everybody forget my mayor. I think he is the youngest one, actually. I think he's the youngest mayor. My viewers and subscribers, yeah. And I can't believe say that really bother him. That really bother him, you know. He go in and that bother him. That makes sense? Tell me if that makes sense now. This don't make no sense. You understand? There's only more things, more priority. This is not a priority. That's not a priority. Me tell us they always go back way, just like Andrew Wellness. They always go back way. They not keep focus and think. There is a lot of stoplight that is not working. Yes, there's a lot of stoplight that is not working. And the road need more signs. Especially all one way. You need more signs. Not only in that area, but all over Jamaica. All over Jamaica also. You understand? But when me see it, I say, the man gone in there. And this is the first thing you see? Need fixing? No, this is the first thing you need. Me have to use the word fixing, because I must fixing. For remove campaign material. Seriously, this is news. My viewers and subscribers, may I tell you sometimes they don't have nothing better to do and nothing better to say. Because there's more things there that is priority that need looking at. And the first thing this mayor talk about is removal of campaign material. When there's a lot of things there to fix. All road and is they need to fix. You know what, yeah? Wanna tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. House Speaker Juliet Hess backpedaling that allowed last week tabling of two reports by the Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis provides an opportunity for serious discussion of how informed ministers know about these special audits and when they are informed. In the specific case, an intervention by the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, would be helpful. Of course, because here this are all my viewers and subscribers. Uno things say, yeah, when Juliet received them the report there, uno thing say Nigel Clark no know about it. Uno thing say fear MP them no know about it. Uno thing say the Labour right they no know about it. The only person who never knew about it was the opposition side. The opposition leader Mark Golding didn't know about it, and the opposition MP them didn't know what was in that report. But me guarantee uno say them, because remember Remember, say Horace Chang came out. Remember, Mark Golding came out on the 19th and spoke about the reports and tell Juliet to table the reports. And what did she do? She sent them back the next day in it. And then when she sent back the next day, then get Horace Chang to run out. And when Horace Chang run out, what did Horace Chang say? Horace Chang said there's no reports to be tabled out. There's none from Integrity Commission and none from Auditor General. This time it was all a lie. So they have to know about it. Horace Chang have to know about it because how he would just come out and say that. That means that they must have conversation, my viewers and subscribers. So I believe that they all knew about it. And guess what? If you don't notice, remember, she saved Nigel Clark the embarrassment, I don't know that. Because remember, it was general election, don't it? And she have the reports from before general election. So she knows, say, if she did table that out before general election, a problem. So what she do? She deliberately delay it. My viewers and subscribers, these people are not credible. This is why I come out all the time. And you see how I point out things and show you. Wanna see why she saved the whole of them the embarrassment. Because she knows, say, if this did come out, the whole of the vlogger them wouldn't have it all over. And I wouldn't be problem and the people there on the ground wouldn't see what is going on. And it wouldn't be good for them during the general election. This is why I say she delay it. Yeah, this is why. And Juliet should step down. She should resign. Then for fire her because what she did was wrong. It was a serious matter. Serious matter. And she breached the law. She violated the law. And that is wrong. She know what she did is wrong. I see some people talk about, oh, she don't know the law. She know the law. You can't say she don't know. She know the law because when she's in parliament, let me tell you no, not for no watch parliament. When she in a parliament, anytime opposition leader stand up and say something, or any other opposition MP, she ever draft your legislation them. You hear me? And I show the act. Under this act, I'm not reading that. Under this act, so all comes, this a reporter come and she don't know about this act here. And then you have Venetia Phillips, I tell pure lie over our page. Literally telling lies. That's what she's doing. Literally telling lies, my viewers and subscribers. Confusing Jamaican people. You understand me? When these reports, that the Auditor General report that is supposed to be a table, do not come under accounts. It doesn't come under the accounts. You understand? It doesn't come under the accounts. So why is she doing that? They're spreading propaganda and telling lies. And this is not nice. This is not good for Jamaican people. And you see, when you have them own MP going out and spread propaganda like that and telling lies, Jamaica not safe. We're not in a safe place. No, we're in a trouble, my viewers and subscribers. We're in a trouble. We're in a serious trouble. You understand? And I believe the MP them know. Even if all of the MP they never know, I believe the main one them, like Nigel Clark, Horace Chang definitely didn't know. Because if he never know, him wanna come out and give that the public announcement there. He wanna make that the statement there. So he knows, they know. Nesta Morgan run out. Me think him know too. Me think Nesta Morgan know. Me think Horace Chang didn't know. And me think Nigel Clark didn't know. Yeah? Tavares or whatever. Me think all of them the people that didn't know. You understand me? And it is not good. Because how long Mark Golding I tell you no, table, and she hold on it and delay it. So you see all of these things, I just forget. Because they know say it going to affect them in the election. They know, she know what she do is wrong. So she need to get fired. She need to resign. We need to call for her to resign. Something like this she do, and she still a, no sir. And she still a Madam Speaker. No sir. Me see a Madam Speaker in one other country. Actually, make in one other Caribbean. Actually, do something like what she do. And then remove her. Right now, she have to go to court. You understand? So there's too much, them a get too much free time. Because the thing is, yeah, nobody now do nothing about it because of the government badness thing. Nobody now say nothing about it. The only standing person that really care about Jamaica is Mark Golding. Whether enough of you like it, yes or no. I just show you don't have no vision to see that. You understand? You can't say what Juliet Hess do. That is a serious matter. Serious matter. What she did was wrong and she lied. And Horace Chang come out and lie. You understand? It is wrong, my viewers and subscribers, what Juliet wants to do. And me know say, and you see the article bring it out, and you know them are gonna have a discussion who and who know. Nigel Clark have to know. Because guess what? You know why she saved Nigel Clark the embarrassment? Because of the 400 million tax. Why Nigel Clark a finance minister and him is the responsible minister for the tax administration? It shouldn't be like that. Why them alone involved in the whole of the money? It shouldn't be like that. You understand? Them something there. Why? They can do as them like and do as them please. That's why them a come out now and show you about procurement guidelines, what them follow. You understand? Who we don't even know. Because them friend who only look at it like this. If a friend owns something, you can't use it. You can't use that. If a friend owns something, you can't take out any amount of money and share it amongst you and your friend. You understand? And say if anything come to shove, we can just say at the procurement guidelines. And you not have to bother. You not have to bother even occupy the buildings. Like right now. You can't change your mind. So when you come out and talk about procurement guidelines, why you did that pay? Because remember the money was paying. The money was actually going. What? My viewers and subscribers. Then the person get paid for the building. And I like say, the person never get paid, you know. The person get paid for the building. You understand? And the person is Norman done. The whole of them are friend, my viewers and subscribers. I understand the whole of them are friend. So they can do anything they can do as them like. This is why I want them out. I want them out of power. I want them out. Because none of them not care about Jamaican people. Them are whole of them are pocket the money. The whole of them are pocket taxpayer money. Nigel Clark him the all over. I'm a minister for every money. Them something ain't right. But my viewers and subscribers, don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Happy Easter. I forget to tell you at the front. You know, I'm gonna celebrate it. But for who celebrate Easter, happy Easter to everybody. All right? And big up on a nice clean self. Again, I'm out.